Align the pattern pieces matching the black lines of one page to the next. Either tape or glue it together. Once it's all taped together, you can now cut your pattern. Pin the pattern to your fabric and use it as a guide to cut out your fabric. Lay your fabric pieces right sides together, making sure to line up each side and each edge. Pin it in place so it's ready to sew. Using a 3/8 inch seam allowance, stitch all the way around the bib starting at one side of the bottom, leaving a 2 to 3 inch gap so that you can turn the bib right side out. Cut notches around all the curves of the bib. Alternatively, you can also use pinking shears here. Reach into the gap and pull all of the fabric from the inside outward. This is where you'll want to use a turning tool or a chopstick to get into all the little corners and grooves. Once you have the bib all turned right side out, iron it down so that it lays flat. Make sure when you iron it that seam allowance from turning is tucked in and matches the rest of the bottom. Take the bib back to the sewing machine. Now you're going to edge stitch around with about a 3/8 inch seam allowance. Make sure as you're sewing around you catch the seam allowance gap so that it's sewn shut. Clip any loose threads, and this is what you should have at this point in the process. Now we're going to add the Velcro. Cut the Velcro in 1/2 inch strips. You'll need one rough side and one soft side. Measure and mark 1/2 inch down from the top of the bib straps. There's one side that curves a little bit more than the other. On that side, your mark should be on the back side of the strap. Take your rough Velcro piece and pin it to the back side of the more curved strap. Take the soft piece of Velcro and repeat on the other strap, but your Velcro pieces should be on opposite sides. One's facing down and one is facing up. This will allow them to connect around the neck. Your soft Velcro piece should be on the less curved side. Sew your Velcro in place, making sure to stop with the needle down in each corner. Pick up your presser foot and turn your fabric. Then put your presser foot back down and continue to sew. Don't forget to backstitch at the start and stop of the seam. Trim any loose threads, and then your bib is finished. It should look like this now. If you're opting for the adjustable bib, you'll need to cut another piece of rough Velcro, the same size as the other ones. On the more curved strap, measure 1/2 inch down from the Velcro piece that's already sewn on and mark that spot. Then take your Velcro piece and align it with the top of the mark. Pin it in place so it's ready to sew. Sew all the way around that Velcro piece, just like you did with the other ones. Now you'll have 2 Velcro pieces on that more curved strap. These ones should be the rough Velcro. That's it, you're all done. I hope you enjoy this bib and get some good use out of it. Thank you so much for watching.